warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imam Baihaqi. I'm from Kebumen, Tanggamus, Lampung. I'm teacher in SMA Islam Kebumen, Tanggamus, Lampung. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, class, before we start our study, now just as usual, our school has a special rule like you always do, to read Al-Quran 15 minutes. Okay, please Adele, you read Al-Quran.
Okay. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Arrahmanir rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif lam mim. Dzalikal kitabu la raiba fihi. Hudal lil muttaqin. Alladzina yu'minuna bil ghaibi wa yuqimunas sholata wa mimma razaqnahum yunfiqun. Walladzina yu'minuna bima unzila ilaika wa ma unzila min qablik wa bil akhirati hum yuqinun. Ulaika ala hudam min rabbihim wa ulaika humul muflihun. Innal ladzina kafaru wa sawa'un 'alaihim a'anzartahum am lam tunzirhum la yu'minun. Khatamallahu ala qulubihim wa ala sam'ihim wa ala absarihim hisawatu wa lahum adzabun adzim. Wa minan nasi may yaqulu amanna billahi wa bil yawmil akhir wa ma hum bimu'minin. Yuhadi'una Allaha walladzina amanu wa ma yahda'una illa anfusahum wa ma yash'urun. Fi qulubihim maradun fazadahumullahu marada wa lahum adzabun alim bima kanu yakdzibun. Wa idza qila lahum la tufsidu fil ardi qalu innama nahnu muslihun. Ala innahum mufsiduna walakin la yash'urun. Wa idza qila lahum aminu kama amanan nasu qalu anu'minu kama amanna sufaha. Ala innahum humus sufaha walakin la ya'lamun. Wa idza laqul ladina amanu qalu amanna wa idza khalau ila syayatinihim qalu inna ma nahnu mustahzi'un. Allahu yastahzi'u bihim wa yamudduhum fi duyanihim ya'mahun. Ulaika alladzina istarau dhalalatil bil huda wa ma rabihat tijaratuhum wa ma kanu muhtadin. Masaluhum kamasalil ladzi tawqada nara falamma ta'at ma hawlahu dhahaballahu binurihim wa tarakahum fi dhulumati la yubsirun. Summum bukunhum yunfahum la yarji'un. Shadaqallahul adzim.
Okay, thank you. Okay, class, to start the lesson, I want the captain of class to lead the praying, please.
Okay, class, to start this lesson, let's pray together. The prayer start. Finish.
Okay, thank you. Now, Dina, please sing song Indonesia Raya.
Hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Indonesia tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Di sanalah aku berdiri, jadi pandu ibu. Indonesia kebangsaanku, bangsa dan tanah airku. Marilah kita berseru, Indonesia bersatu. Hiduplah tanahku, hiduplah negeriku, bangsaku, rakyatku semuanya. Bangunlah jiwanya, bangunlah badannya untuk Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya.
Thank you, Dina. Okay, class, now please write your name in the attendance list in Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
Now we study about new lesson. Do you have any idea what we are going to learn today?
No.
Okay, let's watch the video first. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's the video. The video is interesting. It is, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. After watching the video, I believe that you already had something in your mind about what we are going to discuss today. What is the video tell about?
What about the big games?
Okay, good. The next, Iklimah.
The panorama is beautiful.
Okay, good job. What else?
The many small islands around the dam.
Okay, good. What else? Okay, what
There
else?
are many small islands.
Okay, good. Now I'm going to give you introductional of the learning. The purpose of the learning, student can compile descriptive text, short and simple text, related to famous tourist attraction by paying attention to social function, text structures, and linguistic element correctly and in context by fostering an attitude of realizing God's greatness, mutual cooperation, honesty, and courage to express opinion. Okay, class. Today we will discuss about our material. The material is descriptive text about tourism place. I have another video to make you easy to understand. Now, pay attention the video on the display and don't forget write about information on the video. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello friends, welcome back to Gia Academy YouTube channel. How's life? I hope everything is going well for you. Saat kenaikan kelas kemarin, Agi mendapatkan juara pertama dan ibunya mengajak wisata ke tempat bersejarah. Destinasi pertama, Agi diajak ke Borobudur. Berikutnya, mereka mengunjungi Monas dan destinasi terakhir mereka pergi ke Pink Beach. Setelah liburan, Agi bercerita kepada teman-temannya dan Agi mendeskripsikan apa yang dilihatnya saat berlibur kemarin. Kali ini Agi akan mendeskripsikan tentang tempat pariwisata dan tempat bersejarah. Do you know what is descriptive text? Descriptive text is a text that describes a particular person, animal, place, or thing. You write a description when you want your reader to picture what you are describing. Descriptive text adalah teks yang mendeskripsikan orang, hewan, tempat, atau benda tertentu. Teman-teman, kita menuliskan descriptive text ketika kita ingin menggambarkan apa yang kita lihat kepada orang lain. What is the purpose of descriptive text? The purpose is to describe person, things, or place in specific. There are two generic structure of descriptive text. First, identification. This part introduce where or who the subject being described is. Bagian ini memperkenalkan di mana atau siapa subjek yang dideskripsikan. Second, Description. This part shows the detailed description of subject. It may include the information about the appearance or qualities of. Dan pada bagian ini menunjukkan deskripsi detail subjek termasuk informasi tentang penampilan atau kualitas. In descriptive text, there are three language features. First, using simple present tense. Second, using adjective and adverb. The last one, using present passive voice. First, using simple present tense. Dalam simple present tense, kita menggunakan verb 1. Untuk subjek Ayu Dewi, kita gunakan verb 1, sedangkan untuk subjek she, he, it, kita gunakan verb 1 ditambah s atau es. For example, first, Borobudur is one of historical building in Indonesia. Second, not only it becomes a well-known tourism destination to a lot of travelers around the world. Third, Borobudur temple consists of 6 square floors. And the last, if you place your hand into the stupa through one of its holes, and you can touch the Buddha statue. Second, using adjective and adverb. Example, for adjective, historical, well-known. Example for adverb, in Indonesia, in Magelang, in UNESCO list, on each level, on the top center. The last one using present passive voice. Present active. Subject plus verb 1 plus object plus adverb. Present passive. Object plus is mr plus verb 3 plus by plus subject plus adverb. Look at the example. It is considered. Borobudur temple is also included. There is a dome located. Is surrounded. It is safe. Teman-teman, berikut ini kosakata yang sering muncul dalam descriptive text. Amazing, crowded, historical, picturesque, stunning, wild, ancient, damned, interesting, pleasant, terrific, magnificent, deserted, quiet, boring, remarkable. Agar teman-teman semakin paham, mari kita perhatikan teks berikut. Setelah itu, kita jawab soal-soalnya yuk. The first question, what is the purpose of the text? A. To relate Delhi Sultanate. B. To entertain readers. C. To describe Maimun Palace. D. To describe a palace architecture. E. To relate a person's trip to Medan. What is the correct answer? A, B, C, D, or E? Nah, the purpose of descriptive text is to describe. Sesuai dengan teks, maka teman-teman bisa memilih pilihan C, to describe Maimun Palace. Pastinya jawaban teman-teman benar ya. Second question. From the text, we know that A. Maimun Palace is the heritage of the Delhi Sultanate. B. Maimun Palace was designed by the Sultan of Delhi. C. Maimun Palace covers an area of 2,727 square meters. D. Maimun Palace is a 3-story building with the 2 main parts. E. The visitors can see antiques on the 2nd floor of the palace. What is the correct answer? A, B, C, D, or E? Pada soal ini, kita diminta mencari pernyataan yang sesuai dengan isi teks. Teman-teman bisa memperhatikan teksnya kembali. Dari teks tersebut, pernyataan yang benar ada pada pilihan A. Apakah jawaban kita sama? Next question. It combined Islamic, Dutch, and Malay architectures. It refers to A. Malay architectures, B. The main building. C. The Delhi Sultanate. D. The Maimun Palace. E. The residence. What is the correct answer? A, B, C, D, or E? Pada soal ini, teman-teman diminta mencari rujukan kata it. Kita perhatikan paragraf 3. So, the correct answer is D. Kata it merujuk pada kata the palace. The last question. The palace has stunning architecture. The closest meaning of stunning is A. Awful. B. Fascinating. C. Ancient. D. Old. E. New. What is the correct answer? A, B, C, D, or E? Soal ini meminta kita menemukan persamaan kata stunning. Kita perhatikan terjemahan setiap pilihan jawaban. Karena terjemahan stunning adalah memesona, maka jawaban yang benar adalah B. Teman-teman, jadi soal yang sering muncul dalam descriptive text adalah menanyakan tujuan, kesimpulan, persamaan kata, ide pokok, dan kata rujukan. Tertarikkah teman-teman mengunjungi tempat wisata dan tempat bersejarah yang dikunjungi Agi? Sampai di sini pembahasan kita tentang descriptive text. Saksikan video lainnya di channel kita ya. See you, have a great day.
Okay, class, that's the video. Do you enjoy about that video?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I want to ask you about something in the video. Do you know what is the descriptive tag? Desi?
Descriptive text is a text describes a particular person, animals, place, or things.
That's good. Okay, the next. What is the purpose of the descriptive tag? Iklimah.
The purpose of descriptive text is to describe a particular person, animal, place, or thing in specific.
Okay, good. I think you all have understood about this material. Now you can collect relevant information to compile descriptive text through observing tourist object by searching in the internet. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do it now.
Okay.
Okay, class, have you finished?
Finish, sir.
Okay, good. Now, I will ask to you to present about your project. Now, maybe Lucy, please write about your descriptive text.
Okay, sir. Beras Basah Beach. Beras Basah Beach is location in Beras Basah Island, Bontang, it's Kalimantan, Indonesia. The location of this place is about 2,220 kilometers from the center of Balikpapan. Beras Basah Beach offers beautiful natural scenery, along with white sand that is gentle knock on foot. It's clear blue water seems tasting new visit to swim into it, and it is true that in place. Visitor can enjoy swimming on or snorkeling in the underwater beauty. Various types of fish, coral reefs, and sweet and big found by the visit in the place. These are it also very suitable for you who like photography. The scenery and sunset view in this place are interesting enough to the capture.
Okay, good. And then Lely.
Okay, sure. Pahawang Island. Pahawang Island is an island located in Kunduh Padada Sok District, Pasawaran District, Lampung Province. The island is divided into two diarts, Pahawang Besar Island and Pahawang Kecil Island. Pahawang Island offers a lot of beauty scenery, hills of green trees, white sands beaches, crystal clear and fresh sea water are all you can enjoy on the island. It is suitable for those who like snorkeling. Moreover, in small Pahawang Island, there is a natural breakdance challenge, Tanjung Putus. Tanjung Putus connect between the Tanjung Putus Island and the Pahawang Kecil Island. Tanjung Putus can only be seen during low tide because when the tide rises, these natural bricks will be underwater. Tanjung Putus region is also one of the favorite dipping spots for the visitors. Small Pahawang Island can be reached approximately 10 minutes from Big Pahawang Island. Most visitors stay at Pahawang Big Island because mostly locals live free. Thank you.
Okay, good. The next, Iklimah.
Pink Beach. Pink Beach or Pantai Merah Muda is one of the beach in Komodo Island.
Maybe Iklimah signal is lost. Halo Iklimah, can you hear me? Bisa mendengarkan Bapak? Sinyal Iklimah mungkin hilang ya?
Ya, karena cuacanya kayaknya
Oh, ya. Oke. Maybe the next Ajeng.
Okay, sure. Nusa Lembongan. Nusa Lembongan is one of the 3 seat of Island location in the southeast of Bali. Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembongan, and Nusa Ceningan. From those 3 islands, Nusa Lembongan is the best one, having condition which is style beautiful and natural. This island is ready to pamper you if you like water sport, especially diving or snorkeling. It is recommended for you to decide Nusa Lembongan as next destination. There are several locations with underwater natural beauty that are not doubtful. Coral reef and coralful feed around the island of Nusa Lembongan is so refitting. There are also some equipment for snorkeling and diving to rent. Most residents of Nusa Lembongan is seaweed farmers, so it is not be surprising if you get in Nusa Lembongan. You will see seaweed which is being spread out in the sun, because there are also some villages where seaweed cultivation becomes main commodity. Not infrequently, travelers ride on motorbike or bicycle to surround the island and of naturalness of this island. Thank you.
Okay, good. Your project is very good. Okay, now class, I think is enough. But before we close our studying, I will reflect you. I will reflect you about material today. Please tell me step to make a descriptive text.
there are 2 generic structure of descriptive text.
Okay.
First, identification, and second, description.
Okay, good. Maybe Desi, what is language feature of descriptive text?
Language feature of descriptive text are using simple present tense, using adjective and adverb, using present passive voice.
Okay, good job. Okay, class, I will give you about homework. Please make a vlog about tourist place around you, and then submit in my Instagram. Do you have any question about the video?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dina, please.
The duration of video. How long, sir?
Okay, how long the duration of the video? Okay, the duration of the video is minimum 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and maximum 5 minutes. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any other question?
Excuse me, sir.
Oke, Adel.
Does the video use bahasa Indonesia or English, sir?
The video use English, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, it is clean about homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now close our lesson by praying. Okay, Captain class, please lead praying.
Okay, class, to finish the lesson, let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you. It is enough for today. Forgive me if I have many mistakes. See you next time. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.